good news about Jesus has come to John chapter 20 from verse 19 to verse 31. Jesus making follower them see him. That said Sunday, Jesus follower them meet up together in the evening. Them lock the door them, cause them did afraid of the Jew leader them. Jesus come in the room and turn up with them and say, peace. When time him said that day, he showed them him and him side. And them did glad can't done when them see the Lord. So Jesus said to them one next time, say, peace. Same like how the Father sent me in the world, the same way so me I send Uno in there. After he said that, he blew upon them and said, make the Holy Spirit come in our life. If you don't pardon somebody for the wrong way them do, God I go pardon them. If you don't pardon them, God not go pardon them neither. Jesus make Thomas see him. No, Thomas, we then call Didymus, one of Jesus' 12 followers them, they in the room with the other follower them when time Jesus they come in there. So the other follower them said to him, say, we see the Lord. But him said to them, say, if me not see the nail hole them in him and them, and get to put my finger in them, and if me not get to put me hand in him side, then me not go believe say a true not talk. 8 days after that, Jesus follower them did in the said house, and Thomas did there with them that time. Even though the door them did lock, Jesus come in, come turn up amongst them, said way, and say, peace. Then he said to Thomas, say, put your finger here so, and look for me on them. Stretch out your hand and put it in on my side. Tap if and but, and believe what you see. Then Thomas said to him, say, you are my Lord and my God. So Jesus said to him, say, I true you see me, make you believe, say me. God bless the people them when not see me, but believe in me same way. Jesus do not more powerful sitting in front of him follower them when I write down in that book here. But them you write down, so uno might have believe, say Jesus are the Christ, God boy pick me. And that when you believe in him, you can have life will last forever. And God Wod Dis. Thank God.